Using R for time series analysis. Forecasting trends in 2024. Time series analysis is key for understanding data that depends on time. This includes stock prices, economic indicators, and weather patterns. In 2024, R, a top programming language, will be used for time series analysis by businesses, researchers, and data scientists. R's flexibility, library support, and visualization tools make it a great choice for exploring trends, seasonality, and for forecasting. Overview of time series analysis. A time series consists of a series of data points collected or recorded at successive points in time. They are collected at successive points in time, usually at regular intervals. The main goal of time series analysis is to find patterns. These include trends, seasonality, and noise. R packages for time series analysis. Forecast. This package is widely used for automatic time series forecasting. It simplifies creating time series models like ARIMA and Exponential Smoothing and generates forecasts. XTS and Zoo. Both packages handle irregularly spaced time series data. They work well for large datasets. Common forecasting techniques in R. Exponential Smoothing. ETS. ETS is a time series forecasting method. It smooths data over time to find trends and seasonality. The ETS function from the forecast package is used to fit an exponential smoothing model. Neural networks. LSTM models are popular for time series forecasting. They belong to a category of machine learning algorithms. They can handle complex, non-linear relationships. Visualization and interpretation of time series data in R. Visualization is key to understanding time series data. It helps to spot patterns, like trends and seasonality. R has tools for visualizing time series data. They can improve interpretation. Future trends in time series analysis using R in 2024. Automated machine learning. AutoML. More time series forecasting tools will adopt AutoML. It automates the selection, tuning, and optimization of models. Deep learning. Neural networks, like LSTM, are gaining traction. They suit sequential data. R packages like Keras and TensorFlow are making deep learning easy for time series analysis. Conclusion. In conclusion, R remains a powerful tool for conducting time series analysis and forecasting. Its many packages and strong community make it a top choice for data scientists. In 2024, time series forecasting will use ML, DL, and big data more. As tools and packages improve, R will lead in time series analysis. It will help businesses and researchers find insights and predict trends.